What's up mga ka-Wonder? So, Wonder TV. So, andito sila. May mga guest tayo ngayon sila. Ice.
Si Secting.
Jep.
Lane.
Denji.
Okay, so sino kino-cosplay?
I'm cosplaying Your Forger from Spike's Fan.
I'm cosplaying, Fukuzawa from Bogus Stray Dogs.
I'm cosplaying as Toru from Miss Kobayashi Maid Sama.
I'm cosplaying as Casual Scaramouche from Genshin.
Ikaw?
I'm Pinkie Pie.
Okay, so bakit sila yung kino-cosplay?
Cute. Trip ko lang kasi maganda.
Same as my age.
I was cosplaying Toru because she's been my prior since I've never started cosplaying back then.
Scaramouche is my main in Genshin, and I like him very much. So, yeah, he's a character I really wanted to cosplay. Yeah.
Okay, so pwede nyo ba kami sampulan ng inyong mga talent? Ikaw.
Ano po?
Talent.
Talent ko.
Talent ko? Ngayon? Wala, nagtatayo lang ako, wala akong talent eh.
Singing, dance,
Singing?
sample.
Sample? Bahay kubo kahit munti ang alawan doon.
What should I do? Okay. 世界は残酷だそれでも君を守る
Skin? Dance lang? Dancing.
Dali.
My talent is I'm a flexible person, so I can do splits.
Wow!
Wow.
Basically, I can draw po.
Drawing.
Yes.
Walang sample.
Wala pong sample kasi ano eh.
Okay. So dahil dyan ay dahil sa pagpapaunlak niya sa aming interview, meron kayong babuya. Isa sa'yo.
Thank you.
Isa sa'yo. Isa sa'yo. And then, asan yung isa?
Pinkie Pie.
Ay, thank you. Ay,
So, meron pa ba kayong shout out? Yung batiin?
Shout out kay Arekashi. Be, is lang, buuin mo na yung decision mo sa Otaku Expo.
Shoutout po kay Shiri. Angas naman na palagi kaming siniship. Ha? Angas, no? Na tayong palagi
Google
siniship.
pa more, Shiri.
Yun.
Shoutout sa'yo, kayo ng pogi mo.
shout out Mayrana, sayang wala ka rito.
Okay, so yun lang guys. Babush!
Bye! Thank you!
Thank you very much.
Thank you po.
Ay, pakifollow yung page namin.
Subscribe, like, comment, and share.